We're riding off to glory on that hallelujah train. Streets are told to pave with gold, our destination's plain. There's no more need, there's no more greed, and no more aches or pain. When we ride off glory on that hallelujah train, we'll all meet at the station, it's resurrection day. Get on board and join the Lord, He's riding here today. All sharing and all caring, all winners in life's game. We're singing hallelujah on that hallelujah train. Well, listen to the rhythm of that hallelujah train. Faith is the toll to save your soul, there's no more loss or gain. It's love and good and brotherhood, there's no more pride or shame. When we ride off to glory on that hallelujah train, we'll be leaving in the morning on that hallelujah train. It's not too late to chart your fate, the choice will be your gain. It's peace, love, and hope and joy, we'll all sing this refrain. When we ride off to glory on that hallelujah train, we're riding off to glory on that hallelujah train. The streets we're told are paved with gold, our destination's plain. There's no more need, there's no more greed, and no more aches or pain. When we ride off to glory on that hallelujah train, when we ride off to glory on that hallelujah train.